Hello everybody! Welcome to our channel. Are you craving a summer that brings your family closer and creates unforgettable memories? You're in the right place. Today, we're revealing the top 5 summer road trip routes in the USA for 2025. Journeys that will transform your summer. Don't forget to hit subscribe and join our community of explorers. Your next adventure starts here. Ready to discover the best family road trips across America? Let's get this show on the road. Imagine this, the warm sun kissing your skin, a gentle reminder of the Golden State's endless summer. Feel the warmth, breathe in the fresh air, and let the anticipation build for the adventure ahead. An invigorating ocean breeze dancing through your hair, carrying the scent of salt and freedom. It's the kind of breeze that whispers promises of unforgettable moments. And the legendary Pacific Coast Highway stretching out before you, an open invitation to explore the breathtaking beauty of California's coastline. The ribbon of asphalt winds its way along the edge of the continent, beckoning you forward. This isn't just a road, it's California's soul, a vibrant tapestry woven with stunning landscapes, charming towns, and endless possibilities. It's a journey that will awaken your senses and create memories to last a lifetime. Perfect for families who crave breathtaking ocean views, the allure of charming beach towns, and the simple joy of spending quality time together. This is more than just a vacation, it's an opportunity to reconnect and create lasting bonds. First stop, the iconic Bixby Bridge in Big Sur, a majestic landmark that embodies the spirit of the California coast. This architectural marvel is a must-see for any traveler. Step out, breathe in the fresh, crisp air, take in the panoramic view, and snap a family photo you'll treasure forever. Capture the moment, the smiles, and the sheer joy of being together in such a breathtaking location. Next, wander through Carmel by the Sea, a fairy tale village that will capture your heart with its unique charm and artistic spirit. Explore storybook cottages, discover hidden art galleries brimming with creativity, and a stunning white sand beach awaits, inviting you to relax and soak up the California sunshine. Let the kids run free, build sandcastles, and explore the wonders of the seashore. Afterwards, enjoy a cozy cafe meal together, savoring delicious food and creating lasting memories. Don't miss the elephant seal rookery at Piedras Blancas, a truly remarkable wildlife spectacle that will leave you in awe. Witness thousands of seals, up close and personal, basking in the sun and engaging in their daily routines. It's a unique opportunity to connect with nature and appreciate the beauty of the animal kingdom. Santa Barbara is your next must-see, a city that effortlessly blends history, culture, and coastal charm. Admire the stunning Spanish-style architecture, stroll along palm-lined streets, and soak up the laid-back beach vibe that defines this coastal paradise. Recharge, explore the shops and restaurants of State Street, or simply relax on the golden sand. There's something for everyone in this vibrant city. This trip is for dreamers, adventurers, and families who find joy in the refreshing ocean air, the discovery of hidden coves, and the unparalleled freedom of the open road. Nest Out gear tip. Don't forget to bring the Nest Out outdoor power bank to keep your devices charged and ready for all those photo ops, navigation needs, and sharing your incredible experiences with loved ones. Along the way, be sure to discover the artistic haven of Laguna Beach, with its stunning coastline and vibrant art scene. Marvel at Malibu's dramatic cliffs, offering breathtaking panoramic views of the Pacific Ocean. And experience the nostalgic charm of the iconic Santa Monica Pier, a classic California landmark that's fun for the whole family. Every stop is a new chapter in your family's story, filled with laughter in the car, shared jokes, and spontaneous sing-alongs. Awe at a breathtaking sunset, painting the sky with vibrant colors as you reflect on the day's adventures. Or the simple joy of finding the perfect seashell, a tiny treasure that holds the memory of a special moment. The Pacific Coast Highway is more than just a scenic drive. It's a feast for the senses and a precious chance to reconnect with what truly matters most. Your family, the beauty of the natural world, and the simple joys of life. It's a journey filled with heartwarming moments and lasting memories that will stay with you long after you return home, a reminder of the special bond you share. Next, we're shifting gears and heading east for a completely different kind of adventure. A road trip packed with the majestic beauty and invigorating energy of the mountains. Take a deep breath. We're trading ocean breezes, the salty tang of the sea, for the crisp, clean air of the Blue Ridge Parkway. Imagine the scent of pine and damp earth filling your lungs. Known as America's favorite drive, a title well-earned, this route is a dream for families who love mountain views and peaceful forests, a chance to reconnect with nature and each other. It's a place where memories are made, one scenic vista at a time. The Parkway is designed for slow travel, no rush, no need to hurry, just scenic overlooks, each one a postcard-perfect moment, hikes short and long for every skill level and quiet moments. Moments to reflect, to breathe, to simply be. First stop, Mabry Mill, a step back in time. Watch live demonstrations of blacksmithing, the clang of hammer on steel, and milling. History comes alive for the whole family. See how things were done in a simpler time, a time of craftsmanship and community. Next, marvel at the Lynn Cove Viaduct, an engineering masterpiece, a ribbon of road hugging Grandfather Mountain, a testament to human ingenuity blending with natural beauty. Walk beneath it for a new perspective and appreciate the scale of this incredible structure. Hike Craggy Gardens when the rhododendrons bloom, a sea of pink and purple stretching as far as the eye can see, or climb Mount Pisgah for breathtaking views. A panoramic vista that will leave you speechless. This trip is for nature lovers, those who find solace in the rustling leaves and the songs of birds, hikers, from casual strollers to seasoned trekkers, and families seeking peace and unplugged time together. A chance to disconnect from the digital world and reconnect with what truly matters. Nest Out gear. Tip: pack the Nest Out portable LED lantern, your reliable companion for outdoor adventures, for cozy evenings at your campsite or picnic table. Create a warm and inviting atmosphere wherever you go. Explore nearby Asheville's vibrant art scene, a hub of creativity and innovation, or Roanoke's historic charm for a taste of Appalachian culture. Discover the rich heritage and traditions of this unique region. Each season brings something new, a different perspective, a different experience. Wildflowers in spring, painting the landscape with vibrant hues, cool air in summer, a welcome escape from the heat, and a tunnel of fiery colors in fall. A breathtaking spectacle of nature's artistry. The Blue Ridge Parkway is more than a drive. It's a meditation, a journey for the soul, and a reminder to slow down and appreciate the beauty around us, to be present in the moment and grateful for the simple things. Ready for a journey through America's heartland? Let's go. Adventure awaits. Buckle up. We're traveling Route 66, the legendary road that's pure Americana. This isn't just a highway, it's a living story of migration, hope, and quirky roadside wonders. Start at the Gateway Arch in St. Louis, the symbolic gateway to the west. Don't miss Cadillac Ranch in Amarillo. Add your own spray-painted mark to this iconic art installation. Grab a bite at the Midpoint Cafe in Texas. Burger, shake, and a slice of ugly crust pie are a must. This trip is for families who love nostalgia, history, and a little bit of kitsch. Nest Out gear tip. Bring the Nest Out car charger with multiple ports to keep everyone's devices powered on those long stretches. As you head west, explore the petrified wood of Arizona, stand on a corner in Winslow, and see the neon lights of Tucumcari. The real magic is in the detours. Old alignments, ghost towns, and restored gas stations. Route 66 is a pilgrimage into the heart of the American dream, a journey that changes how you see the country. Next, we follow America's greatest river for a trip through music, history, and culture. Now, let's embark on a remarkable journey, following the course of the mighty Mississippi River, a river that has shaped the landscape and the very soul of America. We'll be traveling on the iconic Great River Road, a route steeped in history and brimming with scenic beauty. This is a journey deep into America's heartland, a chance to experience the authentic charm and character of rural America. We'll discover hidden gems and meet the people who call this region home. This carefully curated route weaves its way through 10 states, each offering a unique perspective on the Mississippi River and its surrounding culture. Our adventure begins at Minnesota's pristine headwaters, where the Mississippi is but a small stream, and culminates at the vast Gulf of Mexico in Louisiana, where the river finally meets the sea. We'll start our exploration at Itasca State Park, a natural wonderland of forests and lakes. Here, you can actually walk across the river's humble beginnings, a symbolic start to our grand adventure. It's a perfect photo opportunity and a chance to connect with the source of this mighty river. As we head south, our next major stop is Memphis, Tennessee. Memphis is the undisputed home of the blues and the vibrant birthplace of rock and roll, a city pulsating with musical history. take a stroll down Beale Street where the echoes of legends still resonate in the air. Don't miss a visit to Sun Studio, the legendary recording studio where Elvis Presley, Johnny Cash, and Jerry Lee Lewis launched their careers. And of course, pay homage to the king of rock and roll at Graceland, Elvis Presley's iconic mansion. Finally, we'll end our incredible journey in the vibrant city of New Orleans, Louisiana. Take some time to explore the historic French Quarter, with its unique architecture, lively atmosphere, and rich cultural heritage. Be sure to savor the delectable Creole cuisine, a culinary fusion of French, Spanish, African, and American influences. And what better way to experience the Mississippi than by cruising the river on a classic steamboat, enjoying the sights and sounds of this iconic waterway? This trip is tailor-made for families who share a love for music, history, and the thrill of discovering hidden gems in charming small towns along the way. Nest Out Gear Tip. Beat the often intense southern heat with the Nest Out Portable Fan, your personal oasis of cool. It's perfect for keeping cool in the car, providing comfort in your hotel room, or even while you're enjoying the vibrant spectacle of parade watching in New Orleans. Along the way, be sure to visit Mark Twain's boyhood home in Hannibal, Missouri, and step back in time to the world that inspired his timeless stories. And explore the ancient Cahokia Mounds near St. Louis, a fascinating glimpse into the lives of the Mississippian culture that thrived here centuries ago. Don't forget to tantalize your taste buds with local flavors, like wild rice in Minnesota, or the squeaky, delicious cheese curds in Wisconsin. And of course, you absolutely must sample the mouth-watering Memphis barbecue and the rich, flavorful Louisiana gumbo. The Great River Road is more than just a route. It's a thread that connects the north to the south. It's a bridge between the past and the present, allowing us to reflect on the history and evolution of this great nation. And most importantly, it's a connection between people and the land, fostering a deeper appreciation for the natural beauty and cultural richness of the Mississippi River region. This is a journey that will undoubtedly deepen your understanding of America, its history, its culture, and its people. So, are you ready for an unforgettable adventure through the heart of America? Let's hit the road and explore the Great River Road. For our final journey, we're heading into the land of giants, the Grand Circle of the Southwest. This route links America's most iconic national parks, Zion Bryce Canyon Arches, Canyonlands, and the Grand Canyon. Start in Zion, towering cliffs, and the unforgettable Narrows hike await. Next, explore Bryce Canyon's whimsical hoodoos on the Navajo Loop and Queen's Garden Trail. Stand on the rim of the Grand Canyon, no words can prepare you for its awe-inspiring scale. This adventure is for families who crave epic views, outdoor challenges, and the wild beauty of the desert. Nest Out Gear Tip. Harness the sun with the Nest Out Solar Charger. Keep your devices powered up, even in remote parks. Beyond the big parks, visit Monument Valley's iconic Buttes and Arches National Park's stone wonders. Take time to learn about the indigenous cultures of the region, visit cultural centers, and support local artisans. The Grand Circle will push your limits, expand your horizons, and connect you to the earth in unforgettable ways. Don't forget to check out our other travel videos for more family adventures. That's it. 5 epic journeys, 5 ways to make memories that last a lifetime. From the Pacific to the Southwest, America is waiting for you to explore. If you're inspired, start planning your own family adventure today. Thanks for joining us. Like, share, and subscribe for more family travel tips and inspiration. Leave a comment below. Tell us which road trip you're dreaming of. Until next time, travel safely and we'll see you on the road. Happy adventuring. Thank you.